guys, I have something super fun to share with you. Today I am going to talk about this Nood Crew eyeshadow kit from our POPxo makeup collection. Whether you are a newbie or not, here's a selection of dreamy nudes, earthy hues, rosy peach and cool browns to get you glam ready. As this 12-in-1 eyeshadow kit allows you to go from basic way to a fully gorgeous glam look. I love that this palette has so many shade options and the pigment is perfect and buildable. Now all my favorite matte and shimmer shades are in one place. What more do I need? And it is so pocket friendly, plus the entire packaging is a vibe. I love the shade names and the colors on this pack. So what are you waiting for? Put yourself in a good mood with the Nood Crew eyeshadow kit. It's vegan, cruelty free and paraben free and it is absolutely awesome.